She's always complaining about me praying too long, about the late nights, the ministry, the people I'm trying to lead home. Said she's tired of the word, tired of living holy. Said the old life's calling her name, and she's going back slowly. If you think you're lonely now, wait till the Spirit's gone. When the peace is gone, when the joy is gone, when you wake up